Wednesday, and here we are again, drinking Shakeology. Why do I drink it? Because it helps me on my weight loss journey. It helps me with my food cravings. It's a meal replacement. It's my breakfast, an easy breakfast. I'm not a morning person, even though it's afternoon. It's kind of like my morning because I stay up a little bit later. So one way to start off your morning is with a good nutritional shake. So I am making a very berry one, and I'm gonna use a little bit of milk. Maybe about a cup or two, and then I'm just gonna put lots of some peaches in there, a little bit of strawberry bananas, and then these are cherry berries, dark sweet cherries, tart cherries, blueberries, and strawberries. With a dash of some powdered peanut butter. With my Shakeology. I'm gonna call this the mixed fruit shake or something. I don't know. This has a lot of fruit. But we got peaches, we got strawberry bananas, and we got some cherries and blueberries and all that good stuff. Put that on there again. We're gonna hit power. Thick. So I'm going to add some more milk. You can either use water or you can use unsweetened almond milk. I'm just going to put a little bit more in for consistency. Since it's breakfast, might as well just use some milk. Get more nutrition in. We'll call this the fruity Shakeology shake. I don't know. Sounds good, right? Let's try it out. Oh my gosh, so good. Like always. Always good. Getting some good vitamin C in from the fruit. breakfast. But anyways, if you're interested, I'm gonna leave links below. I'm Coach Jared Snyder. I can be your health and fitness coach. I'm very motivated, and I'm trying to grow this channel. So if you have friends that might like my videos, please share me with them. Also, if you would please subscribe if you have not subscribed. Just hit that subscribe button on my video and hit the bell so you get notifications when I do more videos. I'm going to leave a question in the comments. I'm just trying to get some engagement with you guys, see who's out there and who would like to chat. But anyways, this is going to be called Fruity Shakeology Drink. Have a great, awesome day. Love you.